to be the way I let my head down to fight.
Hello, welcome. You guys, drum roll, please. I was chilling yesterday and then I got a phone call from one of my clients asking me to customize a shower gel for her. So I was like, why not do it on camera? Like, why not show you guys what I'm making for her? She didn't specify which shower gel she wants. She just wants something nourishing and healthy. So I'm like, girl, I'm done with that. I can do that for you in a heartbeat, okay? So if you are interested and want to see what I make for my client, then please stay tuned, okay? Let me take this out. Ta-da! Let's jump into the video, okay? I'm gonna start off by measuring all of my additives that I want to use in this video. So I'm gonna be using some lemon peel powder. 1 tablespoon here. I'm gonna be using some carrot powder, okay? I gotta hook my girl up, okay? Give her all of this goodness. And I'm gonna be using the Licorice. I know I'm butchering the name, but I'm gonna put a name on the screen or in the description, okay? It's a licorice root powder. This is a balm, good for the skin, okay? I'm gonna be using as much. I'm gonna be using an 8 ounce to mix all of my product. And then I'm gonna be adding 1 pound. The reason I'm mixing this, I don't want the powder to be chunky in the main product. So I'm gonna start off by mixing all of my stuff in here, okay? So before I do, I'm gonna be adding a few drops of jojoba oil in it. Organic hemp seed oil. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that much. The best for my client. I'm gonna mix it all well. You guys know me and my mixing. All right. Super thick. Best consistency ever. Oh my God, you guys. I forgot to put my gloves on. I'm sorry, I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, I just found my gloves. Thank God I didn't even go far. I'm back. I know my client gonna be watching this, but I know she trusts me. That's why she even placed an order. She knows that I'm not gonna give her any trashy thing. I'm gonna start off by putting the licorice root powder in first. Look at riches. Your skin going to love the heck out of this, okay? And I'm gonna be putting the carrot powder in here. One thing I forgot to do, I should have sieved them in here in a way, like the carrot, we just add a good chunks to this mixture, like the chunks. You see, I just found it. But don't worry, my client knows I'm not playing with her. She know I don't play. I'm gonna give her the best for her buck. So, but I just love the color. Like, it is giving me earthy tone. Like I said in the other video, you add different additives, doesn't take away from this shower gel. This shower gel base is so nourishing, like it is so good. It's that good, okay? Ooh, you guys. And even if your product has chunks in it, don't worry, because as soon as it gets in the shower, it dissolves like butter, okay? Oh my God, I am loving the consistency. Mixing is my thing. Okay. So I will be adding the lemon peel powder, okay? Sorry guys, my daughter just ran up on me. Anyway, so I'm still mixing here. You guys, look at this. Doesn't this look like you need some in your life? I'm not asking you to place an order. I'm just telling you, you need this goodness in your life, okay? This is so lovely. It's still thick and all of that. We gotta mix well. So in that process, I'm gonna put it up here and I'm gonna be adding it little by little while I mix it, okay?
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away.
She gonna love it. She really gonna love it. With all the goodness that I added, she will definitely love it.
Better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you
Before I
to.
add the preservative, I'm gonna be adding some fragrance oil. I'm gonna be using pure honey.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
It is still thick. Oh my God. It smells so lovely. Doesn't it look like some of my lip glosses? My caramel and mint lip gloss, they look just like it. But I'm super happy with the smell. Oh, guys. Oh! Smells so lovely. For preservative, I'm gonna be using a measuring spoon. If you notice the last one that I made, I didn't put preservative because it's mine and I'm gonna use it like in no time. So my entire household use the same thing. So we don't need preservative, okay, for that. Because this is for sale, I have to preserve it. I don't know how long she will use it. I don't know if she's buying all of it. I'm sure that it'll be like 3, but she asked for 2. So maybe the other one. If anybody wants to buy it, I'm definitely gonna sell it, okay? I'm sure I'm gonna make 3 out of this. But I'm not pushing my luck yet. I'm just saying. I hope you guys like my crazy intro because I just wanted to bring a little bit of fun to the video, but I hope you like it. And if you didn't like it, leave your comments down in the comments bar. I want to hear it. I want to know what you think about my craziness. If I'm too crazy or I'm overly crazy, or just tell me, okay? I would love to hear your feedback, you guys. Look here, see butter. It looks like butter. I'm gonna get some rubbing alcohol and spray it a little bit because I don't want a lot of air bubbles in there, okay? Ooh, see? Just once. All the bubble burst. Guys, I just did something behind the scenes. After I added the fragrance oil and the preservative, it got loose a little bit. So I just measured out 8 ounces and added it in it, and I had to split it apart just so I'll be able to mix it well. But now see, it's gotten a consistency back that I like, I prefer. So I'm happy about that. So just a quick side note, just in case, if you're making this at home and it does that, all you need to do is just add a little bit more of your soap base and it'll do for you, okay? So this is how it's looking. It's not loose at all. It's still thick. It has its consistency still, okay? So now that I've gotten that out of the way, it's time to put it in the bottles, okay? All right, it's time to put this bad boy in the bottle. All right, go like so. I have to go slowly. Actually, this bottle looks way bigger than 8 ounces. I'm not for sure, but wow, so it's 9, almost 10 ounces, you guys. Almost 10. Oh, it is 10, exactly 10. So the 8 ounce bottle, but it takes 10 ounces. But I'm happy with that. Like, it's okay with me. I do not have a problem with the bottle being 10 ounce. Like, it's fine with me, okay? So this is how it's looking, you guys. It's rich, and out of that, this is how it's looking. It looks so good. I'm just gonna put my label on it and I'm good to go. So let's fill up the other bottles. So you guys, we're gonna be testing this out. I just pulled some water and just see, just from putting it under the faucet, see how much foam it's making. I guess it's gonna have a great lot. So let me take this off quick and try this out, okay? Oh, got a lot in here. All right, I'm gonna be taking this much.
So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being.
Cleaning it nicely with rubbing alcohol, like so. Beautiful shower gel, healthy, very nourishing. It brings glow to your skin. It's very, 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 very good. So yeah, you guys, this is my customized shower gel. See? This is how it's looking. It smells so good, you guys. I can't even tell you how good it smells. Like, you have to try it for yourself, okay? Guys, we are finally done. This is how our shower gel looking. I am in love with this. Like, jeez. I just took a shower, but it made me want to take one. It made me want to take another shower. So I made three of them, and they look so lovely. I'm super excited. I can't wait to ship them out. Pop my label on these and ship it out to her, okay? So yes, that's the end of this video, you guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate all of you, and I just want to tell you thank you for all of your support. I see all your sweet comments. Don't hesitate to leave any comments, okay? Don't hesitate. I love reading your comments, and I like answering your questions. So yeah, you guys, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye-bye.
I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.